Hello everyone and welcome to English Factory. Today we will do class 12 Vistas chapter 2 The Tiger King. The Tiger King, written by Kalki, is a story about the transience of life and power. It is a satire on the conduct of the people in power. It is found that most of the time the rulers are not interested and bothered about working for public welfare. Rather, they spend their time in foolish things. Before we understand the entire story, let's read about the author Kalki R. Krishnamurti. Kalki R. Krishnamurti was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic, and Indian independence activist. He penned 120 short stories, 10 novelettes, 5 novels, 3 historical romances, editorial and political writings, and hundreds of film and music reviews. He was named after Kalki Avatar, the 10th and last avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu. Now let's see what is the central theme of the lesson. The King is a political satire. The meaning of political satire is use of humor, irony and mockery in the context of contemporary politics. A satire on the conceit of those in power. Most of the time the rulers are not interested in serving the people or work for the welfare of the public. Instead, they spend their time in foolish pursuits. Here is a story about transience of life, of power, and reverberates the maxim, too many slips between the cup and the lip. Yes, children, do you know why this title is given the Tiger King? To know this, let us read the chapter now. The Maharaja Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur was called Tiger King. When he was just 10 days old, he asked intelligent questions to the astrologers and was told that he would be killed by a tiger. He uttered, "Let tigers beware." He said this so because he considered himself to be more courageous and strong than the tigers. No other miracle took place thereafter. The child grew like any other royal child, drinking white cow's milk, taught by an English tutor, looked after by an English nanny, and watched English films. But the moment he was 20, he was crowned as a king. It was then the prediction of his death by the tiger reached the Maharaja's ear, and in turn, to safeguard himself, he killed a tiger, and being thrilled, he told the astrologer, who replied that he can kill 99 tigers but should be careful with the 100th one. From then on, he started killing tiger, and none was allowed to hunt tigers. A high-ranking British officer visited the state and that was fond of hunting tiger, and his wish was declined. The officer requested for getting a photograph with the tiger killed by Maharaja, and this request was also rejected. So, to please the officer's wife, he sent 50 diamond rings, expecting that she would take one or two. Instead, she kept all the rings costing 3 lakh rupees and sent thanks to the Maharaja, but his state was secured. In 10 years, he killed 70 tigers and didn't find any in Pratibandhapuram, so he decided to marry a girl from royal state which had more tigers to complete his target. Whenever he visited his in-laws, he killed around 5 to 6 tigers. So he killed 99 tigers and was feverishly anxious to kill the 100th tiger, but couldn't find news about the presence of a tiger near a village, and that proved disappointing. Now the Diwan was warned of his danger, so he visited People's Park in Madras and brought an old tiger, placed it in the forest and informed the Maharaja. The Maharaja took great care and shot the tiger and left the place with great triumph, and bullet did not hit the tiger, but out of the fear the tiger had collapsed. Now the staff killed the tiger and brought it in grand procession. It was the 3rd birthday of Maharaja's son, and he wanted to buy a present from the toy shop. He bought a wooden tiger which was poorly carved. While the Maharaja was playing with the prince, a tiny silver of the wooden tiger pierced his right hand, which later on caused his death. Thus, the 100th tiger takes his final revenge upon the Tiger King. Now it's time to do some important questions. Question 1. How did the 10-day-old baby, the future Tiger King, react to the prediction about his future made by the astrologers? Answer. When the astrologers predicted that one day the future Tiger King would die, he remarked that it was nothing special about it, as everyone who is born has to die one day. When he was told that a tiger would be the cause of his death, he growled and bewared all the tigers. Question 2. Why did the Maharaja ban tiger hunting in the state? Answer. The Maharaja wanted to prove the prediction of the astrologer wrong by killing 100 tigers. He banned tiger hunting in his state so that all the tigers in his state could be killed by him. Next question, question number 3. Which problem did the Maharaja face when he had killed 70 tigers? How did he solve it? Answer. When the Maharaja had killed 70 tigers, there were no more tigers left to be killed in his kingdom. He solved this problem by marrying a girl from a state which had sufficient tigers to be killed. Moving on to next question, question 4. Why was the Maharaja once in danger of losing his kingdom? Answer. The Maharaja was once in danger of losing his kingdom when he did not allow the British officer to shoot a tiger or even take a picture with the dead tiger. Thus, the kingdom was in danger. Next question. Why did the Maharaja have to pay a bill of 3 lakh rupees to the British dwellers? Answer. When the Maharaja refused a British officer to conduct a tiger hunt, he risked losing his kingdom. So he sent 50 diamond rings to his wife, costing 3 lakh rupees to his wife to select one, but she kept them all. Question 6. Who killed the 100th tiger? Why? Answer. The 100th tiger was killed by the hunters. The tiger had fainted from the shock of a bullet whizzing past him. As the hunters did not want to offend the king by telling him that he had missed the aim, they killed the tiger. Moving on to the last question, question number 7. The manner of his Tiger King's death is a matter of extraordinary interest. Comment. Answer. The Tiger King met his end when a splinter from the wooden tiger pricked his hand. This wound became infected. In spite of being operated by the best surgeons, the Tiger King lost his life. The irony or interesting fact is that the Tiger King had killed 100 tigers but was killed by a toy tiger. Here I come to an end of today's lesson. Hope you have gained much out of it. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notification. Follow our Instagram ID. The link is in the description box. Waiting for your valuable comment. Thank you and stay blessed.